aking batang kahawakan namin sa intermediate group. Thank you for being such a very good and a very nice student sa aming mga teachers sa MW PM session. Yay!
Thank you, Teacher Miriam. And now, ano naman,
Teacher Miriam.
Happy birthday, Janet. Good health and more power to you.
parang nasa ilan yun ah.
Nasa kayo, baby.
From the different session.
Birthday, Janet.
May po eh.
Jacob.
Please go eh.
Hello,
Ano na lang,
Best friend,
si Vince na lang. Vince,